Howdy folks, I'm here at Ray Specialty Meats here in New London, Iowa, and I'm here to buy some stew meat. Here we go, going shopping. Now I'm going to pick up the best stew meat that I want for my stew. Yeah, here's one right here, this looks good. Now what I'm going to do is pay for it. Howdy man.
Howdy.
There you go, ma'am.
$2. Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
You're welcome, ma'am. My stew. Oh, it smells good. It looks good. Now it's time for me to serve myself some. Check out Ray Specialty Meats at 704 East Main Street in New London, Iowa.